Yeah, good evening, everybody. My name is Christine Arbogast, and I'm mayor of Tübingen, one of 3 mayors, to be precise. And I'm not alone here. I brought some people with me. So I brought 2 councillors with me, Mr. Schmanz and Ms. Strastreit. Could you please stand up? Thank you. There's also with me Ute Bechdolf, which is head of the German-American Institute at Tübingen. We have here a business delegation. And now to shorten, please stand up the rest. So 50 years ago, the city of Tübingen gets the offer from people of Ann Arbor to form a city sister partnership. So this was in 1965, a good year, especially for me, because it's the year that I was born. So at that time, it was Senator Gilbert Bursley, a substitute of Mayor Harcher. He came to Tübingen to sign the agreement of this partnership. And from our side, it was Mayor Hans Gmelin who signed the agreement. And we are especially happy that we have with us, with our delegation, the daughter of Hans Gmelin, Brigitte Fulche.
When my father is now looking maybe from the heaven to us, he will be very happy to see these meetings.
Yeah. So, since 1965, there were a lot of visits and exchanges. We had, for example, exchanges of orchestra, and I have a little bit difficulties with this word, choirs. Thank you. She told me that singers is not really correct. We had an artist exchange, we had an architect exchange that was in 2011 when my colleague Mayor Kurt Söke was here in Ann Arbor. And now we are starting a business exchange, which will hopefully continue. Also, for the first time this year, we have an exchange of disabled or handicapped, I don't know which is the political correct. Disabled. So disabled people. We were very happy that we have a strong contribution from civil society to keep this partnership going. I know that here in Ann Arbor, volunteerism is very important. And when we look back to the beginning of the partnership, we see that the citizens of Ann Arbor, it was not the mayor or a political decision, so the citizens were the reason for the establishment of our connection, and we are very thankful for this. So I would like to thank you, Mayor Taylor, and Steve Powers, and all your team for all what you have done. Thanks for the sponsoring. We had that barbecue at County Park, we had funny canoeing, and we had today that guided tour, including the lunch. So thank you very much. I also would like to thank for all the homestays which were made possible by the citizens of Ann Arbor.